To stop your phone from reading deleted characters aloud in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen, tap swipe touch and feedback, tap speak keyboard input aloud, and then tap the blue on off switch next to read deleted characters aloud to disable this option. The switch turns gray when it's off. Now your phone will not read the character aloud when you delete it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.